guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Kayzie and today I'll be showing you guys how I did this sun-kissed makeup look, which would be really perfect for this summer. So yeah, if you want to know how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so as you can see, I already did my brows, but here I'm just applying a clear brow gel to my brows to set my eyebrow hairs in place. I'm also done moisturizing my face, so here I'm applying foundation already, and for that I'm using Maybelline's Matte and Poreless foundation in the shade 228. As you can see, I'm working in sections and I used my blending sponge to blend the foundation to make sure it is seamless. And to set the foundation, I'll use my Nichido final powder in the shade Ivory Glow. For contour, I used this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette in the shade Dulce de Leche. And here, as you can see, I'm just lightly baking this part of my face to make my contour a little bit more prominent. After that, I just swept away all the excess powder. Here, I just used the same contouring shade I used earlier to slightly contour my nose. For my eyeshadow, I used this palette from Glazed, and for my transition shade, I used a tangerine color. I applied it using a fluffy blending brush, and as you can see, I'm just putting the color all over the place. To darken the look, I just applied a maroonish color on the outer corner of my eye. That's pretty much it. Just remember to blend everything out till it looks nice and pretty. my mascara, I used the Lash Sensational Mascara from Maybelline. And then boom! As you can see, I already pop on some lashes. Since I want to bring back the color to my face, I used this Wet n Wild blush in the shade Mellow Wine and applied it to the apples of my cheeks. And lastly, for my lips, I just used a lip liner from Nichido in the shade Rossette. And that's it! We're done! So yeah, this is the finished look, and I really hope that you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Love you!